Welcome to Savyavasa's latest construction update. Join us as we take a closer look at the significant progress being made on site. The exterior facades and communal areas are nearing completion, showcasing the meticulous attention to detail that defines the project's vision. Inside the apartments, work is progressing with precision, ensuring each element is crafted to the highest standards. On the balcony decks, re-engineered wood planks are being carefully installed to create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces. Each apartment features expansive full-length balconies that offer 180-degree views of lush greenery and the city skyline, providing a peaceful, open-air retreat. The spacious decks are perfect for relaxation, whether you're indulging in a morning coffee or winding down with evening yoga. The bathrooms feature marble flooring, providing a sleek and durable foundation. With premium fixtures and freestanding bathtubs, these spaces are designed to offer both comfort and a tranquil atmosphere. At Savyavasa, comfort extends to every member of the family, including your furry friends. A dedicated dog park with lush landscaping provides a welcoming space for pets to play and enjoy, allowing them to feel just as at home. As construction progresses, every detail is being executed with care to ensure Savyavasa delivers on its promise of refined living. We are thrilled to welcome you to your new home in 2025, where your ideal living space comes to life. Developed by JSI Group and Swire Properties. Construction led by Thai Say CSC.